Genius Mind Technologies, the go-to destination for comprehensive laptop repairs.
Why do 80% of tech enthusiasts panic when they see the blue screen of death? Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever had your computer scream halt with a blue screen of death? Yup, that dreaded BSoD can really ruin your day. But guess what? It's not the end of the world. Let's break it down. The blue screen of death is just Windows' way of saying, uh-oh, something went seriously wrong. It could be due to hardware failures, driver issues, or even corrupted files. Here are some common culprits and quick fixes. Faulty drivers? Update or reinstall them. Overheating hardware? Clean those PC vents. RAM issues? Run a memory diagnostic test. Corrupted files? Use System File Checker, SFC, to repair them. Want to decode the full list of BSoD error codes? We've got you covered. Just click the link in the description to visit our website. Still stuck? Contact Genius Mind Technologies in Kandy for quick and reliable laptop repairs. Call or WhatsApp us at 078-179-4898. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech tips from Genius Mind. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay smart, stay techie with Genius Mind. See you in the next video.
At Genius Mind Technologies, we breathe new life into your laptops. Whether it's a quick fix or a complex chip-level repair, our skilled technicians handle it all with precision. Cracked screen? We offer premium replacements for all major brands, restoring your device's brilliance. Is your laptop lagging? Upgrading your RAM and SSD can give it a performance boost without breaking the bank. Plus, we have a wide range of high-quality accessories, chargers, keyboards, and more at affordable prices. No matter the brand, our expertise ensures your laptop is in good hands. Struggling with power issues or software glitches? We diagnose and fix everything, so you can get back to what matters. Connect with us on WhatsApp or visit our website for more details. At Genius Mind Technologies, we prioritize quality, speed, and affordability. Your laptop deserves the best care.
Genius Mind Technologies, the go-to destination for comprehensive laptop repairs.
Call 078-179-4898 to make an appointment for your laptop repair today.